So you can use your computer or TV and then signing into your YouTube TV account at tv.youtube.com. And then after you signing in, you want to make sure you are already purchasing the base plan of YouTube TV by going to the top right of your screen and then click on your profile picture. And then you want to click on settings. And then on settings at the membership at the base plan, you want to make sure you are having this manage option instead add option. And then you want to go back to the YouTube TV homepage by clicking on the TV icon. At the homepage, you want to go to the search bar at the top right of your screen. And then you want to search for Newsmax. And then here at the Newsmax at network, you want to click on it. And then here you can just choose any live or series of the Newsmax that you want to watch with your smart TV. And if you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to assist and help you guys. And that's how to watch Newsmax on YouTube TV. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.